Today's kind of a big day for me as a new person here on YouTube. Today I get to do my very first unboxing because Violife America was kind enough to send me a box of cheese. I'm not sure exactly what's all in here, but I'm really excited. So if you've seen my breakfast crunch wrap video, you saw me grade a block of sliced Violife cheddar cheese, and they saw that video, they reached out to me and said, hey, looks like you need an uncut block of cheddar cheese, so we're gonna send you some. And they did. So let's unbox, see what all they sent me. It's just like Christmas. So it's in this big styrofoam box here, obviously because it's perishable. Awesome, and they did just what they said they were going to do. They sent me 3 blocks of their mature cheddar cheese, unsliced, so I can grade to my heart's content and make all the breakfast crunch wraps that I want. Truly, this is my favorite vegan cheddar right now. It's so close to the real thing. A little bit hard to find in stores right now, but they're definitely becoming more widely available. So yeah, thanks again, Violife. Thanks for sending this to me, and I can't wait to use these in an upcoming video. So I'll see you on Monday for my next recipe video.